If you've ever shared a ChatGPT conversation and now want to take it back, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop sharing ChatGPT conversations by deleting publicly shared links. This is a quick but important privacy step, especially if you shared something by accident, posted the wrong link, or simply no longer want anyone to access that chat. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT and sign in to the account that contains the conversation you shared. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. Depending on your device and layout, you'll usually see it in the bottom left corner or in the top right area of the screen. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. From the menu, click Settings. This is where ChatGPT keeps your account preferences and privacy options. After that, look for Data Controls in the sidebar. Data Controls is the section that lets you manage how your data is handled, including shared content. Inside Data Controls, find Shared Links. This is the area where any publicly shared chat links are managed. Once you open it, you should see a Manage button. Click Manage to view the chats that currently have share links enabled. Now you'll see a list of shared conversations. If you only want to remove one specific chat from public access, find that chat and click the trash icon next to it. That deletes the individual shared link and stops people from being able to open it anymore. If you want to fully clean things up, you can also choose Delete All Shared Links. That's the fastest option if you no longer want any of your shared ChatGPT conversations to remain publicly accessible. Just make sure you really want to remove every link before you confirm it. Once you've deleted the shared link or links, your conversations will no longer be available through those public URLs. That means anyone who had the link before should no longer be able to view the chat, and that's it. You've now learned how to stop sharing ChatGPT conversations by removing public shared links inside your account settings. It only takes a few clicks, but it makes a big difference for your privacy and control. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.